In my accident, going through a three-way intersection, being struck by a car in a trailer. I am lucky to be alive. Yes, my neighbor came to you guys with a disability case, and she said y'all are amazing. Yes, I had an awesome experience. Jasmine. She was very informative, and if I need to reach out to her, she told me if the number had changed. I always dropped off documents at the front desk if I needed them to scan it in. Very local, and there's more than one location too, so. Yes, definitely. So really, honestly, I'm very satisfied with everything. I mean, what am I gonna do? Y'all took care of everything.